Hey everybody, happy Thursday. Today is January 23rd. Nikki O knows here, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, you guys. I really appreciate you. I'm here to really break down, you guys, just the pros and cons of YouTube Shorts as opposed to YouTube Longs. And so I want to give some of the insights that I've learned just being a small channel content creator for 89 days here. Tomorrow is my 90th day, so I will be hopefully going live if I have the energy and I have the opportunity to go live. But I do want to share some of the things that have really helped me along the way, you guys. I started out with a long video, but then moved to shorts, and now I'm kind of balancing out longs and shorts. And I want to give some of the pros and cons that have truly helped me along the way. So some of the pros, you guys, as far as YouTube Shorts is just quick engagement, you guys. Quick engagement. Shorts are designed, you guys, for quick audience consumption, and that really, you guys, makes it easier to capture the viewer's attention. So you want to make sure that you're drawing your subscribers into your channel with quick engagement and entertainment type shorts, because that is going to keep them coming back to your channel. So just quick engagement is my first pro. My second pro, you guys, is just viral potential. When you guys have a short that is of high interest, just know that you guys have a higher chance of going viral due to the short format. And also just the dedicated shorts on YouTube are looking for shorts to push out in the algorithm, you guys. And if your short gets pushed out, it really helps to build the momentum of that short, so that way it even goes out to a more broader audience to push that out for your content. So that way possibly it will just increase the views, the shares, the subscribers. I just actually had a video hit 20,000 or so, and I just pushed it out 2 days ago. So just know, you guys, a short, when it comes to viral potential, and I haven't went viral, but I'm just saying, like, to gain 20,000 likes on one short, you guys, in 2 days is just such a great feeling. So definitely viral potential and quick engagement. Okay, number two, lower production time. When you guys have shorts, it takes you guys less time of just really preparing that short compared to long videos. So lower production time is my number three as far as a pro for having shorts. And my last one, you guys, that I have in my little posted here, you get to reach new audiences when you guys do have shorts. You get to reach a broader audience quicker than you would a longer video. Many people like to watch shorts, you guys, because think about the attention span. I mean, it's really short, right? People, they're just squirrel everywhere, just all over the place. Even me, right? Whether I'm at home, at an event, or at work, my attention span is just short. So just know, if you guys have shorts, you're definitely going to be able to reach new audiences. Now, the cons of producing shorts, you guys, it's limited watch time credit. You guys, this is very important. Limited watch time credit. And what I mean by that, you guys, shorts do not count towards your 4,000 public watch hours. So just know that is required to get monetization. So if you want to get monetized at the end of the day, at the end of your goal, you guys, your shorts do not count. So you have to present and produce different type of content, something other than just shorts. So once again, you guys, please do some long form videos, because that will help you reach monetization, if that's your goal, way quicker than shorts. I got confused for a moment because I thought shorts, you guys, really helped with monetization in my watch hours. They do not. So just know that limited watch time hours, you guys, that is very essential for you to remember. Okay, my number two, you guys, on my post-it, it's just less depth. So the short format, you guys, may not allow for in-depth content or storytelling, because why? It's just short, right? It's less depth. But if you do the long, that's different. My number three, you guys, with shorts, you kind of have like the con of having lower viewer retention. And even though you can really retain viewer attention quicker, just know that retaining them for a long term, as far as their engagement, may be extremely challenging. So just remember that. Now, when it comes to long form videos, you guys, the pros of that is just watch time consumption and contribution. And that means, you guys, longer videos, they are going toward your 4,000 watch hours. So even though you may produce shorts and you may have like thousands of views, it's kind of like pointless in a way, because if your long videos have the same type of views, you guys, you will reach your 4,000 public watch hours way quicker to help you reach your goal even faster than what you had anticipated. My number two, you guys, as far as the pros of having a longer video, is just your in-depth content, you guys. it kind of allows for deeper, more informative explanation and really informational pieces that your viewers want to watch. You guys, a lot of people are trying to learn about YouTube. I researched YouTube for 10 months, you guys, before even posting something on October 26, 2024. So like I said, today is my 89th day, you guys, but you want to have comprehensive content, and you can do that by having a longer video. So that is a pro as far as having that longer video. My number 3 on my little post-it is higher ad revenue potential, you guys, because if you have longer videos, that's the potential to have like ads and potentially increasing your earnings and everything. So longer videos, you guys, that is the way to go. Number 4, you get better engagement, you guys, if you do have longer videos that are more well crafted, because people want to watch some of those videos. People that are looking to learn about how to, they're going to type in how to, right? And your video may pop up. So just know, you guys, you want to build your loyal audience and encourage your viewers to subscribe. That is very, very, very essential to your success as a small channel or even a larger channel content creator. Now, some of the cons, you guys, as far as having a longer video, it's very time consuming. It's very time consuming. I don't have any editing equipment, you guys, that I use. I just use my iPhone. You guys know that. And I want you to know that really creating high quality content videos, you guys, it is a lot. It requires more time, more effort, more energy, more organization. It is a lot. So make sure you guys understand that one of the cons of having the longer videos it is definitely time consuming. I cannot express how time consuming it is. I cannot even share how time consuming it is. It is a lot. You guys know I get off work and I start producing more videos for my own channel. Okay. My number 2, you guys, as far as the cons as presenting and producing long channel, is just viewer drop off. So if it's not engaging, viewers, you guys, are going to leave before even finishing the video. I know sometimes my videos, my viewer engagement is sometimes extremely high, but at other times, you guys, my viewers are dropping off because I'm boring at times, right? So, you know, sometimes when you don't have that engagement long enough, it can hurt your retention matrix. And just play it by ear, you guys. Practice to see what works, what videos hit. Go to someone else's page and look at their how-to guides and how to build a channel, how to, you know, increase your subscribers, how to build a loyal fan base. Go to someone else's channel, you guys, and borrow their titles, use their information. This is what this is about. So get somebody else's informative tips and tricks and use them in your own video, you guys. It's okay. This is all about sharing and helping other people. So I'm telling you guys, it works. My next one, you guys, for number 3 of a con of having a longer video is really just competition. You guys, there are so many people on YouTube. I know everyone uses, like, you know, TikTok and Instagram and Facebook and stuff like that, and TikTok. But just know, when it comes to YouTube, you guys, a lot of people have long videos on here that are how-to guides. So just know that the long format videos, you guys, the space is not limited, but it is very, very, very competitive. The competition is stiff. So if you're like a cook and you want to post a long video about how to, you know, successfully cook spaghetti with meatballs, there's probably 500 videos on that. So you have to figure out a way to stand out amongst your competitors, so that way people want to click on your video as opposed to everyone else's, you guys. That is one thing I do want to share. It is super competitive and it can be really hard to stand out. So my suggestion is, you know, even me, I just come home from work, you see my face, it's just, it is what it is. If I stand out, cool. If I don't, cool. I guarantee you guys, at least 5 people are gonna watch my video and I get 5 clicks. So I'm not too picky, because I know I'm in it for the long haul, but also just bringing information to the new small channel content creators, you guys. That's what I wanna do. I wanna help people that are just normal people like me, just trying to make an extra living and at some point get monetized. But really, the joys of bringing smiles to people's hearts, information to people's ears, and actions, you guys, that's what I'm here for. If I get monetized in a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, I hear some people in 5 years, that's awesome. But if I don't, I still feel good, because so many people have just talked about my YouTube channel, you guys, and I'm so blessed to even have a loyal subscriber base that I have now. And I feel very, very blessed to have that opportunity to do that. So I just want you guys to know that, in conclusion, whether you're doing shorts or longs, you guys, they both have unique strengths when it comes to your channel, and they also have their weaknesses, which I did share the pros and cons. But a balanced approach, you guys, is all I want to say from both formats, because that is what you need to really grow your channel and also attract viewers by like just having shorts as well as longs. And some people only want to watch shorts, so they're not going to watch your long. I know my sister was like, I'm not watching 20 minutes of your video, and I'm in agreement with my sister, because I probably wouldn't watch other videos. But you know what, you guys, lately I've been watching other videos that are 20+ minutes, because I take my own little notes, I get my post-its, my little notebooks, and I just put notes that really resonate with me, and I go. So I started out too not wanting to watch longer videos, you guys, but you'll find yourself going to other channels and learning from other people. That is another piece of advice, you guys. Go to other channels. I'm telling you, I know I mentioned this earlier. Go to other channels and listen to their pros and cons, you guys, of shorts and longs. Take that information, use it to your benefit, and grow your channel. I'm telling you guys, you want to give information, but you also want to be teachable. So that is very important. Even in real life, you guys know, most of you guys know I'm a principal. I not only share information, I get information, right? So be the same way, you guys. Don't be too good to listen to other people, because that's how we learn and grow. And at the end of the day, yeah, we want to bring smiles to people's faces, but we also want to, at some point in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15, 21 years, get monetized, right? We hear all these stories on YouTube about 5 years later, I've been on YouTube for 7 years. So I want that to be me, so I can help my mom or my dad or my brother or my sister and take care of my coworkers that have just really looked out for me on the job. So have that goal, you guys, of a healthy balance. Put the fear aside. I promise you, if I can do it, you guys, you can do it too. I promise you. I'm here to help. Nikki O knows, signing out. I will see you guys tomorrow. Friday is my 90th day. I'm so humbled just to have the small success and the small wins that I've had thus far. Thank you, guys. Today I'm in my car. I just been out and about, so I wasn't gonna be home till later, and I wanted to do it later. So I'm just recording from my car today. But thank you guys so much for just being there and listening to my pros and cons of long videos as well as shorts. Appreciate you so much. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow.